Hi guys, I am from DBK and this video shows you how you can quickly remember formulas in just short time. After watching this video, you will be able to remember any kind of formulas. Watching oscillations and waves, energy in simple harmonic motion. Energy in simple harmonic motion, right? SHM. It is a wave equation. X is equal to a sine omega t, maximum displacement from a mean position. This is maximum displacement from the mean position of formula. If you want derivation of this equation, I given my first video link in description. Uh, Visit it. Okay. Here A means amplitude. The rate of change of displacement is called velocity. Nothing but dx by dt. Dx by dt, it is x means a sine omega t. First differentiation sign is equal to cos, nothing but cos a sine, first differentiation cos into omega. V is equal to a omega cos t. It is a velocity. The rate of change of velocity is equal to acceleration. Again second derivation, a omega square sine omega t. The maximum amplitude, the maximum acceleration, a omega square, because this is equal to 90 degrees. When a sine omega t is equal to 1, a is equal to maximum, right? Okay, it is a simple harmonic, it is a simple pendulum. It is bob, length of the string, wire, extreme points, mean position, extreme position and mean position. In this video we discussing about the some formulas. Okay, right? Length of the string or wire is equal to L. It is extreme points, it is a extreme point, it is mean point. Okay, time period, complete oscillations required time is equal to time period. If oscillation start in extreme point, this one, it's come to mean position to the another extreme points, again it's back to mean position, again come to same position. This duration is one oscillation, right? It's moves one extreme points to through the mean position to same position. It's have a one oscillations is called time period. One time period I take capital T, right? Now this pendulum, this bob start from A to B. This start from A, moving to B. The time period is equal T by 2. Again it's come to this position. Again A. Time period is equal T. Mean position point is equal to M. Right? Time period of A to B is equal T by 2. Time period of A to A is equal to T, right? Time period of A to M, time period of A to B is equal to T by 2. Time period of A to M, time period of A to M is equal to T by 4. Half of the time period of A to B, T by 4. Time period of between the M and A, or time period of between the M and B. Time period of A M by 2 is equal time period of M B by 2 is equal T by 8, right? I hope you are understand time periods. Okay, first one, time period A to B is equal T by 2. Time period of A to M T by 4 time period of A to given number point N time period of A to N T by 4 T by 8 time period here T by 8 time period here T by 4 time period here T by 2, right? Moving this direction, moving this direction, moving this direction. Again, it's come to back. It will be change, right? Okay. Next, kinetic energy and potential energy. We know very well kinetic energy formula of mv square of mv square, right? V means velocity. According to here formula, velocity is equal to a omega cos theta, right? If a maximum velocity cos theta is equal to 0 degrees, it gets a omega. When I applying to the velocity is equal a omega, v is equal a omega at maximum, right? It kinetic energy of the simple pendulum, right? Kinetic energy of mv square. Our formula is of mv square. Now of replaced with same of m also m. V means a omega square, because v is equal a omega of mv square, because of m v square. V means omega a square, because omega square a square. At mean position, here maximum kinetic energy. At mean position, maximum kinetic energy k mx maximum, right? Extreme position, kinetic energy is equal to 0. Potential energy is equal to max, right? Potential energy is equal maximum. Now same potential energy at mean position. Why? Because simple pendulum oscillating, here velocity is equal to 0, velocity maximum, velocity is equal to 0, increasing. Here mean position velocity is equal to maximum, here velocity again 0. It's comes to back. Here velocity is equal to 0, because kinetic energy is 0, velocity is maximum, because kinetic energy maximum. Same way this formula, how to remember? We know very well formula, kinetic energy of mv square. M means mass, same. V means here wave equation, SHM a omega. Substituting this equation, now we getting of m also m. V means a omega square ante omega square a square at a mean position. Alright. Second, kinetic energy extreme points. Here extreme points, velocity is equal to 0, because velocity is equal to 0, kinetic energy also 0. Average energy, average kinetic energy, here kinetic energy is equal to 0, here kinetic energy is equal to maximum. Average energy 0 plus kinetic energy maximum of m omega square a square by 2. Now K E maximum plus K E minimum by 2. It is the average. We will get a formula m omega square a square by 4 m. It is the average energy. Both are same. Kinetic energy at extreme points 0, extreme point 0. In mean position, mean position of m omega square. Average means maximum plus minimum by 2. Finish, it is over. And potential energy. Potential energy, extreme points. It is the extreme points potential velocity is equal to 0 because potential energy is equal to maximum. P maximum of m omega square. Here velocity is equal to maximum, potential is equal to potential energy is equal to 0, mean position. Now at extreme mean position, potential energy is equal to 0. Average energy, extreme points potential energy is equal to of m omega square. Mean position potential energy is equal to 0. Average energy, maximum plus minimum, total energy, average energy of into of m omega square a square by 2. Nothing but potential energy maximum plus potential energy minimum by 2 is equal to average potential energy. It is very, very simple. Next, we discussing about the energies, potential and kinetic energy in one graph of m omega square a square. It is energy, maximum energy. One important point, total energy is always constant. Total energy of m omega square a square, which is constant. It's not depend upon x. This is not depend upon x. It is very, very important point, right? Te is equal to half m omega square, which is constant. It does not depend upon x. Is a y-axis energy, x-axis displacement. It is potential energy curve. It is a kinetic energy curve. At extreme points, displacement is equal to maximum. This is negative maximum. But energy is equal 0. Energy is equal 0 because here also energy is equal to 0. Energy we take in a y-axis, right? If increasing at extreme point at a mean position, this point, kinetic energy is equal to maximum, right? Kinetic energy is equal to maximum. Again, kinetic energy is equal decreasing. This point is equal to 0. Same way, kinetic energy is decreasing. Here, point is equal to 0. Maximum displacement at the kinetic energy is equal to 0. Maximum amplitude is equal to 0. Okay, this graph shows potential energy and kinetic energy. Very important point. Potential energy, kinetic energy at x is equal a by root, both are equal. Very important point. At x is equal plus or minus a by root times. Nothing but here kinetic energy and potential energy both are same. Displacement a by root times. It is important. Okay, in this potential energy and kinetic energy both are equal. That displacement, nothing but amplitude is equal plus or minus a by root 2 time period t by 8. Total energy always constant. That one, total energy is equal to half m omega square a square.